Hello everyone and welcome back to Stephanie Traditional Home. Today I have a video where I'm showing you where I decorated the tabletop in front of the mirror here in my kitchen. I wanted something different. I didn't want to use the flowers in the original way. So stay tuned and let me tell you I came up with this. Thank you for being here. While you're here, will you leave me a comment and subscribe. Thank you to all of the Traditional Home subscribers and its visitors. Okay, here is the picture if you're looking downward of the tabletop. And I wanted to bring in my blue and whites today. But I didn't want to just put some flowers down in a vase. So I had some ribbon, and I took these balls that came on a ribbon, but I took them apart and utilized them as if they were falling down into the vase. That's why you see one on top of the vase. And I wanted to mix patterns and textures of blue. And in the case of the ball, it has green with an undertone of blue in it, as well as purple and its shades. And to bring, because my laundry door is going to be in this shot, I put some blue pictures over this with art or this door, and took away the brown towel and put a blue one. The lamp, I substituted the lamp that was over here, the green one, because I wanted to be taller. And I took the lampshade from another lamp that I have to put the blue there, because my blue and white lamp just wasn't tall enough. So, because you want the eye to, if it starts up looking, you want to bring it down from the balls, each one are lowering itself into the vase. And then if you look down a little lower, you're going to see the top that goes over the vase. And then you can go down over to your left and come back up to the pictures. The eye likes that. And then the lamp is tall, but then it has to come down to see the flower part, and the stand on which it sits. So you want to give the eye something to do, not just looking straight ahead all the time. Even on the door, you look up and then you have a reason to look down because of the tower. And then your eye catch a glimpse of what's going on to its right. Up and down. The eye can find something to set its sight on. And you notice the black of my refrigerator is getting in the picture. That's fine. But I needed the blue there and not sign that was there with the brown base of it that goes around it, the wording. That wouldn't have worked. Okay, that's just a few tips on how, but in the end, it's all about you. It's all about what you like. And please remember that. The things I'm doing here, 95% of them I like. I am bringing color in that I usually just use blue or white, or the bronzes or the golds. I even have a piece of silver. I am more of a gold person, but whatever you like. How much it costs is not important if we're not going to enjoy it and keep it up. So thank you for being here. And again, would you subscribe, like, and comment? Until the next video.